So now we are starting the chapter Ranga's marriage. वैसे तो in the end you will find that the author is Shama, but here it is Masti Venkatesha Iyengar, because some of the times you may be having the question related to who wrote this book. Ranga, the accountant's son, is one of the rare breed among the village folk. You can see he has used a sarcastic word, rare breed. मतलब अलग तरीके का प्राणी था. Who has been to the city to pursue his studies. Normally in the villages in the olden times, the people were not that much comfortable that they could send their children to the city. मतलब सिटी जाना तो बहुत 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 बड़ी बात होती थी. It was in fact a sin. It was in fact a sin कि अगर कोई सिटी में जाकर पढ़ता था. I remember even fact this chapter is quite back. मेरे को मेरे हस्बैंड बताते हैं कि when he was coming to Delhi, his grandmother was literally angry कि अब तो ये बिगड़ जाएगा बस. So that was the time. When he returns to his village from the city of Bengaluru, the crowds mill around his house. Mill around मतलब सब लोग जमा हो जाते हैं, वहाँ भीड़ जमा हो जाती है. To see whether he has changed or not. His ideas about marriage are now quite different, and are they? मतलब उसके जो है about the marriages, that is something different. When you see this title, some of you may ask, Ranga's marriage? Why not Ranganatha Vivaha? Ranganatha Vijaya? Well, yes, I know I could have used some other mouth-filling one like Jagannatha Vijay or Girija Kalyan. Mouth-filling matlab something which is attractive. It is about our own Ranga's marriage, hence no fancy title. But मैं क्यों use करूँ? It is about Ranga, so it is Ranga's marriage. Hosahalli is our village. You must have heard of it. No, what a pity. But it is not your fault. There is no mention of it in any geography book. Those sahibs in England writing in English probably do not know that such a place exists, and so make no mention of it. कहते हैं जो अंग्रेज थे जिन्होंने बुक लिखी है, they never knew that such a place, such a beautiful place exists. अब ये वाला देखो जरा. Our own people here refers to Indians. Do forget about it. You know how it is. They are like a flock of sheep. हम Indians तो भेड़िए हैं. One sheep walks into a pit, the rest blindly follow. एक जाके गड्ढे में गिरेगा तो हम सब जाके गिर जाएंगे. When both the sahibs in England and our own geographers have not referred to it, you cannot expect the poor cartographer to remember to put on the map. जब geographer को नहीं पता था तो जो map बना रहा उसे कैसे पता होगा? And so there is not even the shadow of our village on any map. और इसीलिए किसी भी मैप में जो है हमारे विलेज का कहीं कोई नाम नहीं है. Sorry, I started somewhere and then went off in another direction. If the state of Mysore is to Bharat Varsha, what the sweet karigabadu into is to a festive meal. मतलब जिस तरीके से भारतवर्ष मैसूर एंड उसी तरीके से जिस तरीके से लड्डू के अंदर करिगबदा इज अ काइंड ऑफ लड्डू जो फेस्टिव मील होता है विदाउट विच अ फंक्शन इज नॉट कंप्लीट. देन होसाहली इज टू मैसूर. स्टेट व्हाट इज द फीलिंग इज टू करिगबदू. यानी कि इसका मतलब होता है दैट मैसूर कैन नॉट कंप्लीट विदाउट हैविंग द talk about Hosahalli, without mentioning about Hosahalli. What I have said is absolutely true, believe me. I'll not object to your questioning, but I'll stick to your opinion. I'm not the only one who speaks glowingly of Hosahalli. We have a doctor in our place, his name is Gunda Bhatta. He agrees to me. He has seen to quite a few places, not England. If anyone asks him whether he has been there, he says, no Annaiya, I have left that to you. अगर कोई पूछता तुम कभी इंग्लैंड गए हो, कहते तुम चले जाओ. भाई अन्नैया मतलब भैया. रनिंग अराउंड लाइक अ फ्ली पेस्टर्ड डॉग इज नॉट फॉर मी. मतलब फ्ली पेस्टर्ड मतलब डिजीज्ड डॉग. इधर उधर भागना मेरी आदत नहीं है भाई. आई हैव सीन अ फ्यू प्लेसेस इन माई टाइम दो. एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट ही हैज सीन मेनी. उसे कुछ देखा है बट ही डजंट वांट टू मूव हियर एंड देयर. अब पहला, we have some mango trees in our village. Come visit us and I'll give you a raw mango from one of them. Do not eat it, just take a bite. The soreness is sure to go straight to your brahmarandhra. मतलब आपके सीधे पेट में, to your intestine. I once took one such fruit home and a chutney was made of it. All of us ate it. The cough we suffered from after that. It was when I went for the cough medicine that the doctor told me about the special quality of the fruit. इतना खट्टा होता है कि उसे खाने के बाद इंसान को खांसी हो सकती है. Just as the mango is special, so is everything else around village. We have a creeper growing in the ever so fine water of the village farm. Its flowers are a feast to behold. Get 2 leaves from the creeper when you go to the pond for your bath, and you will not have to worry about having leaves on which to serve the afternoon meal. दिन का खाना किस में देना आपको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. You will say I am rambling. Rambling मतलब कुछ बड़ा चढ़ा कर बोल रहा हूँ. It is always like that when the subject of a village comes. भाई जब भी मेरे विलेज के बारे में बात होती है ना, मैं ऐसे ही बोलता हूँ. But enough. If any one of you like to visit us, drop me a line. I'll let you know where Hosahalli is, what things are like here. The best way of getting to know a place is to visit it. Don't you agree? मतलब किसी भी जगह को अगर आप जानना चाहते हो तो then the best way is आप उधर जाकर देखो. And this is reality. This is reality. You can't criticize or you cannot praise any place without knowing or without going to that place. What I'm going to tell us to is something happened 10 years ago. मतलब जब ये स्टोरी लिखी गई थी उससे 10 साल पहले का. We did not have many people who knew English then. उस वक्त हम नहीं जानते थे. मतलब English was not a common language. This is what I said in the last class, that he has commented upon the use of English. Our village accountant was the first one who had enough courage to send his son to Bangalore to study. It is different now. There are many who know English. During the holidays, you come across them on every street talking in English. आजकल तो आपको ज़मीन मतलब कि हर जगह दिख जाएंगे. छुट्टियों में अगर आप देखोगे बड़े सारे लोग दिखेंगे जो इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं. Those days we did not speak in English, nor did we bring in English words while talking in Kannada. What has happened is disgraceful, believe me. मतलब here he wants to say, when you are speaking in your own language, you should not bring out the foreign words into your language. मतलब अगर हम इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं, हिंदी बोल रहे हैं, तो it should be purely Hindi. He did not believe, मतलब the author was not in support of using English often. The other day I was in Rama Rao's house when they bought a bundle of firewood. Rama Rao's son came out to pay for it. He asked the woman, how much should I give you? उसने कहा 4 pice. The boy told he did not have any change and asked her to come the next morning. The poor woman did not understand the English word change and went away muttering to herself. I too did not know. Later when I went to Ranga's house and asked him, I understood what it meant. मतलब एक सिंपल वर्ड चेंज. मेरे पास चेंज नहीं है, छुट्टे नहीं है बोलने की जगह उसने कहा चेंज नहीं है. The priceless commodity. The English language was not so widespread in our village a decade ago. That was why Ranga's homecoming was a great event. People rushed to his doorstep announcing the accountant's son has come. The boy who had gone to Bangalore for his studies is here, it seems. Come, Ranga is here, let us go and have a look. और तभी उस वक्त में ऐसे ओपनली बाहर जाना, इंग्लिश पढ़ना वगैरह बहुत आसान नहीं था. तो जब रंगा वापस आया तो लोग उसके घर के बाहर चले गए. Attracted by the crowd, I too went and stood in the courtyard and asked, why have all these people come? There is no performing monkey. तो यहाँ कोई बंदर का नाच तो नहीं हो रहा. A boy, a fellow without any brain said loud enough for everyone to hear, what are you doing here then? एक लड़का जिसमें कोई दिमाग नहीं था, उसने कहा फिर तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? A youngster, immature, without any manners, thinking that all these things were now of the past, I kept quiet. But अब तो ये सब पुरानी बातें. Seeing so many people there, Ranga came out with a smile on his face. Had we all gone inside, the place would have turned into what people call the black hole of Calcutta. This is a metaphor he has used. He meant to say that his house was not that much big to accommodate such a huge crowd. इतने लोग अंदर तो जाकर रह ही नहीं सकते थे. Thank God it did not. Everyone was surprised to see Ranga was the same as he had been 6 months ago when he had first left our village. An old lady who was near him ran her hand over his chest, looked into his eyes and said, the Janevara is still there. The Janevara in our, in all the Brahmins, I know in this Bengali also I know, we had the function, तो वो एक धागा पहनाते हैं. That is to show that the child has matured to his age. He hasn't lost his caste. मतलब वो इतनी खुश हुई. She went away soon after that. Ranga laughed. Once they realized Ranga still had the same hands, legs, eyes and nose, the crowd melted like a lump of sugar in a child's mouth. जैसे बच्चे के मुंह में चीनी डालो वो घुल जाती है, वैसे सब भाग गए. मतलब everybody dispersed. I continued to stand there. After everyone had gone, I asked, how are you, Rangappa? Is everything well with you? It was only then that Ranga noticed me. He came near me and did a namaskara, respectfully saying, I'm all right with your blessings. उसने बहुत तमीज से नमस्ते किया. I must draw your attention to this aspect of Ranga's character. दिस एस्पेक्ट ऑफ रंगास कैरेक्टर का मतलब है उसने जो हाथ जोड़कर जो नमस्ते किया था ना उसके लिए बोला है. This is because according to the author, the people, the young generation had forgotten their values. He knew it when it would be to his advantage to talk to someone and rightly assess people's worth. वो लोगों की जो respect है उसको करना जानता था. As for his namaskara to me, he did not do it like any present day boy, with his head up towards the sun, standing stiff like a pole without joints, jerking his body as if it either was a wand or a walking stick. मतलब सिर्फ सर हिला के ऐसे नमस्ते करना. आजकल बच्चे ऐसा करते हैं. Nor did he merely fold his hands. He bent low to touch my feet. उसने बहुत तमीज से हाथ जोड़कर भी नमस्ते किया और पैरों को भी छुआ. May you get married soon. After exchanging a few pleasantries, मतलब इधर उधर की बातें करने के बाद मैं आ गया. That afternoon when I was resting, Ranga came to my house with a couple of oranges in his hand. A generous, considerate fellow. मतलब माना जाता है कि when you are meeting your elders, you should always give them some gift. As a matter of respect. It would be a fine thing to have him marry, settle down and be of service to society. इसकी शादी करके जो है मैं एक पुण्य का काम करूँगा. For a while we talked about this and that, then I came to the point, Rangappa, when do you plan to get married? As I had told you, this is also about child marriages. Though today we can associate that child marriages are not the right perspective, but at that time it was very common. I'm not going to get married now. Why not? I need to find the right girl. I know an officer who got married only 6 months ago. He's about 30, his wife is 25, I'm told. मतलब उन दोनों के बीच में मतलब एज का काफ़ी डिफरेंस है. She may take they will be able to talk lovingly to each other. Let us say I married a very young girl. She may take my words spoken in love as words spoken in anger. लेकिन मैं अगर किसी छोटे, if I'm marrying now, it may be that the girl is immature. Recently, a troupe in Bangalore staged the play Shakuntala. There is no question of Dushyant falling in love with Shakuntala if she were young like the present day brides is there. What would have happened to Kalidas? मतलब उसने कहा मैंने अभी देखा था. One should be matured. He mean to say that even in that Shakuntala drama also, Shakuntala जो है, what there is no question of Dushyant falling in love with Shakuntala. मतलब अगर शकुंतला बच्ची होती, जैसे आजकल अब बच्चों की मैरिज होती है, तो शायद दुष्यंत भी उससे शादी नहीं करता. If one gets married, it should be to a girl who is mature. मतलब according to him, child marriages are not acceptable and the girl should be matured. Otherwise, one should remain a bachelor. That's why I'm not marrying now. Is there any other reason? A man should marry a girl he admires. मतलब he was not in support of arranged marriage either. What we have now are arranged marriage. How can one admire a girl with milk stains on one side of her face and wetness on the other, and so young that she doesn't know even how to bite her fingers? मतलब आजकल जो child marriages होते हैं, they are arranged marriages are all child marriages, and the girl is too young, too childish. One a neem fruit, the other a bitter gourd. तो उसने कहा ओके, एक तो नीम ऊपर से करेला चढ़ा हुआ. मतलब हम बोलते हैं ना कि एक तो करेला नीम चढ़ा हुआ बोलते हैं ना, मतलब इफ वी आर प्लेसिंग द नीम ट्री एंड बिटर गोट टुगेदर, तो द बिटर गोट गेट्स मोर सोर, वो ज़्यादा कड़वा हो जाता. एग्जैक्टली. I was distressed that the boy whom I thought would make a good husband had decided to remain a bachelor. After chatting for a little longer, Ranga left. I made up my mind right then that I would get him married. मैं तो उसकी शादी करवा के रहूँगा. Rama Rao's niece, a pretty girl of 11, had come to stay with him. उनकी जो भांजी थी. She was from a big town, so she knew how to play the veena and harmonium. मतलब she knew the instruments. She also had a sweet voice. Both her parents had died and her uncle had brought her home. Ranga was just the boy for her and she the most suitable bride for him. Since I was a frequent visitor to Ramarao's place, the girl was quite free with me, and I completely forgot to mention her name, Ratna. उसका नाम था रत्ना. The very next morning I went to their house and told Ramarao's wife, I'll send some buttermilk for you, ask Ratna to fetch it. रत्ना को मेरे घर भेज देना to fetch some buttermilk. छाछ. buttermilk मतलब छाछ. गाँव में ऐसा लेना देना it's very common. And elders जो होते हैं when they call up to the youngsters, normally they are very disciplined and they just follow it. Ratna came, it was a Friday, so she was wearing a grand sari. Grand sari matlab silky sari. In our south, we believe that on Fridays we should wear silk sari to praise goddess. I told her to sit in my room and requested her to sing a song. Bhajan गाने के लिए बोला. I sent for Ranga. While she was singing the song Krishnamurti in front of my eyes, this is a bhajan, nothing like that. Ranga reached the door. He stopped at the threshold. वो चौखट पर ही खड़ा हो गया. Threshold is आपका चौखट. He did not want the singing to stop, but was curious to see the singer. Carefully, क्योंकि उसकी आवाज़ बहुत अच्छी थी. Carefully he peeped in. The light coming into the room was blocked. जैसे उसने धीरे से देखा तो बाहर से जो रोशनी आ रही थी वो एकदम ब्लॉक हो गई. तो रत्ना ने एकदम देखा ऊपर and seeing a stranger abruptly stopped. वो चुप हो गई. Suppose मतलब ये जो है this is a sarcastic comment he has made. This जो ये पैराग्राफ है it's a sarcastic comment. मतलब वो व्यंग्य कस रहा है. Suppose you buy the best quality mango, you eat it slowly, savoring its peel, before biting into its juicy flesh. You do not want to waste any part of it. Before you take another bite, the fruit slips out of your hand and falls to ground. How do you feel? सोचो आपके पास मस्त बढ़िया वाला आम है, आप धीरे 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 खा रहे हो उसको, और आप उसका किसी एक छोटा सा पार्ट भी नहीं, इवन उसका छिलका भी नहीं छोड़ना चाहते, तो आप धीरे धीरे उसको सेवर कर रहे थे और अचानक से वो आपके हाथ से गिर गया, कैसा लगेगा आपको? रंगा's face shows the same disappointment when singing stopped. उसका मुंह उतर गया. You sent for me, और वो आके बैठ गया. Ratna stood at a distance, her head lowered. Ranga repeatedly glanced at her. Once our eyes met, he looked very embarrassed. No one spoke for a long while. एक बार तो उसकी चोरी पकड़ी भी गई, फिर किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला. It was my coming in that stopped the singing. Let me leave. Words, mere words. The fellow said he would leave but did not make a move. How can one expect words to match actions in these days of Kali Yuga? उसने कहा मेरे आने की वजह से गाना रुक गया, मैं चलता हूँ. भाई बोल तो रहा चलता हूँ, तो जा क्यों नहीं रहा है? कलयुग है भाई, बोलते कुछ और हैं, करते कुछ और हैं. Again, this is a sarcastic comment. Ratna ran inside, overcome by shyness. After a while, Ranga asked, "Who is that girl, Swami? कौन है वो?" "Who is that inside?" the lion wanted to know. The he-goat who had taken shelter in the temple replied, "Does it matter who I am? I am a poor animal who has already eaten 9 lions. I have vowed to eat one more. Tell me, are you male or female?" The lion fled the place in fear. Means शेर ने पूछा कौन है भाई वो, और बकरे ने कहा मैं तो 9, मतलब हम तो 900 चूहे बोलते हैं, होता मैं तो 9 लायंस खा चुका हूँ, आओ तुम्हें भी खा लेता हूँ. मतलब that want to show that he was very much curious. Like the he-goat, I said, what does it matter to either of us? Who is she? I am already married and you are in the marrying kind. तुम्हें क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है कौन है वो? मेरी शादी हो चुकी है, तुम्हें शादी करनी नहीं है तो क्या करना है? Very hopefully he asked, she isn't married then? मतलब उसकी शादी नहीं हुई? His voice did not betray his excitement, but I knew it was there. मतलब वो अपनी excitement छुपाना चाहता था, but दिख रहा था. She was married a year ago. उसकी भी 1 साल पहले शादी हो गई. His face shriveled like a roasted brinjal. भुने हुए बैंगन की तरह उसका मुंह जो है वो भुन गया, छोटा सा हो गया. After a while, Ranga said, I must go, I have work at home. I went to our Shastri the next morning and told him, keep everything ready to read the stars, I'll come later. I tutored him and all, and I wanted to say. मैंने उसको वो हर चीज़ सिखा दिया जो उसे बोलना था. I found no change in Ranga when I met that afternoon. What's the matter? You seem to be lost in thought. Nothing wrong, believe me. कुछ नहीं. Headache? Come, let us go to see a doctor. Normally हम यही बोलते हैं ना जब हम उदास होते हैं तो सर में दर्द है. I have no headache. I am my usual self. नहीं, मेरे सर में कोई दर्द नहीं है, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on. But I don't think that could be a reason for your present condition. लेकिन तुम तो ऐसा नहीं, तुम्हें तो शादी नहीं करनी है ना, तो तुम इतने उदास क्यों हो? मेरे साथ तो इसलिए हुआ था क्योंकि मुझे लड़की देखनी थी. Ranga stared at me. उसने उसकी तरफ देखा. Come, let us go and see Shastri. We'll find out whether Guru and Shani are favorable for you or not. चलो देखते हैं. Ranga accompanied me without any protest. As soon as Shastri saw, he exclaimed, "What a surprise! Shyama, haven't seen you for a long time." Actually, दोनों सुबह मिलके दोनों ने बातचीत तो कर ली थी, और शास्त्री जो था he was intelligent, तो उसने बिल्कुल वैसे ही बोला. Shyama is none other than your servant, the narrator of this story. मतलब मैं. I got angry and shouted, "What, only this morning?" इसके मुंह से निकलने वाला था भाई अभी आज मॉर्निंग ही तो, लेकिन उसने कट शॉर्ट किया और बोला, "Oh, you finished all your work and are now free to visit me." Had he not done so, I would have ruined our plan by bursting like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. कहता मैं तो सारे के सारे किए करा पे पानी फेर देता. I was extremely careful of what I said afterwards. उसके बाद मैंने बहुत सोच समझ के किया. Shastri turned to Ranga. When did the young son of our accountant clerk come home? What can I do for him? It is very rarely that he visits it. आप कब घर आए? मैं क्या करूँ? Take out your paraphernalia. Paraphernalia मतलब पंचांग वगैरह. Our Rangappa seems to have something on his mind. इसके दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है. Can you tell us what is worrying him? Shall we put your signs of astrology to the test? चलो भाई आज आपकी एस्ट्रोलॉजी का टेस्ट लेते हैं. चलो. There was authority in my voice as I spoke to Shastri. He took out 2 sheets of paper, some cowries. Cowries आपके उस ज़माने के जो coins होते हैं वो. And a book of palmyra leaves. Ours is an ancient science, yeah. There is a story to it, but I won't tell that story now. This is not a harikatha which allows you to tell a story within a story. You may get bored. I'll tell you some other time. ये हमारा जो है पुराने ज़माने का जो है साइंस है, बट इसके बारे में मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगा. शास्त्री moved his lips fast as he counted his fingers. मतलब वो ऐसे कर रहा था जैसे वो कुछ कर रहा हो. What is your star? उसको नहीं पता था कि भाई उसका स्टार क्या होता है. आई थिंक आप में से some of you might be knowing. Abin, you might be knowing your star, right? Yes, Abin or not? Now in our south what happens is when we are born, मतलब जैसे मेरी मतलब मैं जिस दिन भी मैं मतलब पैदा हुई हूँ, that is उस दिन जो भी स्टार होता है that is actually our birthday, and we celebrate our birthday according to our stars. And here according to the English culture it is the date on which we celebrate. तो हम लोग तो हमारे घर में दोनों को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. On the star birthday we have the South Indian kind of food, and on the other day we have the normal party. तो उसने पूछा. Shastri indicated with a shake of his head. He did some more calculation before saying in a serious tone, it's about a girl. I had been controlling my laughter all this while, but now I burst out laughing. I turned to Ranga, exactly what I had said. जैसे मैंने बोला था ना तुम्हें, मैंने बताया था ना, मैं भी तब ऐसे ही परेशान था जब मेरी शादी होने वाली थी. Who is that girl? It was your humble servant who asked this question. मतलब मैंने पूछा कौन है वो लड़की. Shastri thought for a while before replying. She probably has a name of something found in the ocean. Something related to ocean. Kamla? Kamal means. Could it be Pachi? Pachi is the kai, moss, green color. Must it be moss if it is not Kamla? Why not Pearl or Ratna? Ratna? The girl in Rama Rao's house is Ratna. Tell me, is there any choice of her negotiations bearing fruit? Definitely, he said after thinking for some time. There was surprise on Ranga's face and some happiness. I noticed it. तो उसने कहा रत्ना मतलब कुछ पॉजिटिव होगा क्या? Definitely, he said. But that girl is married, I said. Then I turned to him. His face had fallen. Oh, तुम उससे शादी करना चाहते हो, लेकिन उसकी तो शादी हो गई है. फिर से वो उदास हो गया. I don't know all that. There may be some other girl who is suitable. I only told what our Shastra indicated. और शास्त्री जी ने कहा मुझे नहीं पता भाई वो रामा राव की नीज़ है या कौन है, हो सकता है इस नाम से कोई और हो. We left the place. On the way we passed by Rama Rao's house. Ratna was standing at the door. I went in alone and came out a minute later. Surprising, the girl isn't married. It seems someone told me the other day that she was. अरे ये तो कमाल हो गया, इसकी तो शादी ही नहीं हुई है, किसी ने तो मुझे बोला था. What Shastri told us has turned out to be true after all. But Rangappa, I can't believe that you have been thinking of her. Swear on the name of Madhavacharya and tell, is it true what Shastri said? कृष्ण भगवान के लिए बोलते हैं, जरा कसम खाना. I do not know whether anyone else would have been direct. Ranga admitted there is greater truth in that Shastra than we imagine. What he said is absolutely true. उसने कहा बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हैं. Shastri was at the well and when I went there that evening, I said, so Shastri Gale, you repeated everything I had taught you without giving rise to any suspicion. What a marvelous Shastri yours is. He didn't like it at all. उन्होंने जाके कमेंट किया कि भाई मैंने जैसा तुम्हें समझाया था तुमने तो बिल्कुल वैसे रट्टू तोते की तरह बोला. उसको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. What are you saying? What you said to me was what I could have found out myself from the Shastra. Don't forget I developed on the hints you had given me. Tell me, is this what a decent man says? बताओ, ये शरीफ आदमी है, इसको मैंने सिखाया और कह रहा तुमने क्या सिखाया था, तुमने तो मुझे सिर्फ हिंट दिया था, बाकी तो मैंने डेवलप किया था. Again, it's a sarcastic comment. Rangappa had come the other day to invite me for dinner. What's the occasion? मतलब after this, यहाँ पे Ranga had got married to Ratna. Though Ranga was completely against the child marriage, yet he liked her and he was married. It's Shama's birthday. He's 3. It's not a nice name, Shama. I'm like a dark piece of oil cake. मैं तो कोयले के ऑयल केक मतलब मैं तो कोयले का जैसे काला सा हूँ. Why did you have to give that golden child of yours such a name? तुमने अपने गोरे चिट्टे इतने सुंदर बच्चे का मेरा नाम दे दिया. What a childish couple you are, Ratna and you. I know. It is the English custom of naming the child after someone you like. हाँ मुझे पता है, मतलब according to him, English culture में क्या होता है, normally we name our child after whom we like it. आजकल तो there are so many things, there are and many beautiful books available with the names, with the what we call as meanings. But in the earlier times we were confined. In fact, how should you keep the name? I still remember keeping a name was a big hustle and bustle. I'll tell you. Your wife is 8 months pregnant now. Who's there to help your mother to cook? अब तुम्हारी wife second time pregnant है, कौन है तुम्हारी मम्मी के साथ? He said my mother has come with her. I went there for dinner क्योंकि उन्होंने उसको invite किया था. Shama rushed to me when I walked in and put his arms around my legs. बच्चा भाग के आया. I kissed him on his cheek and placed a ring on his tiny little finger. Allow me to take leave of you, reader. I'm always here ready to serve you. You were not bored, I hope. Thus, he could just conjecture all the things, use the astrologer, and he did what he wanted to do. He arranged the marriage of Ranga with Ratna. And now he wants to comment that marriages have really changed. So that's all about Ranga's marriage.